360 degrees cameras have become a helpful tool for capturing moments from different angles, providing immersive experiences. In our video of the Best 360 Cameras 2024, we're looking at devices that change how we see and document our surroundings. 360 degrees cameras changed how we capture and relive memories, giving us a full view. They take us into the heart of the moment, from panoramic landscapes to dynamic action shots. This year, the latest 360 degrees cameras show advancements with improved image quality and stabilization. They go beyond being just tools for content creation. They help craft narratives beyond traditional cameras. I've listed the 5 best 360 degrees cameras, and you can find the best prices for them in the description below. Get ready to capture the world in 360 degrees. Your visual journey awaits. Number 5. Insta360 RS. My choice for best innovative design 360 degrees cameras. It offers a unique feature: a 4K boost lens and a 5.7K 360 lens, essentially giving you 2 cameras in one. You can switch between the lenses, opting for detailed wide-angle shots or unlocking endless creative possibilities with the 360-degree lens. Thanks to a new sensor, you can capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos, and vibrant HDR action footage. And here's a thoughtful touch: the invisible selfie stick. No ugly sticks in your shots. The 360-degree lens makes it disappear for drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. If you go for the dive kit, you'll get everything you need, including the 4K boost lens, 360 lens, 1 RS core, battery base, lens cap, mounting bracket, dive case, floating hand grip, and a spacious 128GB micro SD card. It's a comprehensive package, fitting for innovative 360 degrees camera enthusiasts. Number 4. Insta360 ONE X2. I recommend this for best compact design 360 degrees camera. It serves as your pocket camera crew, allowing you to shoot in every direction with super 5.7K 360-degree capture. The versatility is evident as you can choose your favorite angle later or opt for ultra-stable wide-angle footage using the Steadicam mode. The flow state stabilization is a highlight, providing better than ever stabilization and horizon leveling without the need for a gimbal. It ensures your shots remain steady and professional. Durability is also taken care of, with this camera being IPX8 waterproof up to 10 meters. You can confidently use it in rainstorms or even while surfing without needing a case. Number 3. GoPro Max. Looking for best versatility in 360 degrees cameras? Then consider this one. With 3 cameras in one, it offers creative freedom, allowing you to shoot traditional hero-style video, capture photos, or delve into immersive 360-degree footage. The shotgun mic performance and front-facing screen enhance your vlogging experience. PowerPano lets you take incredible 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without the need to scan the horizon. The premium 360 Plus stereo audio, featuring 6 mics, captures true-to-life sound, delivering the best stereo experience from a GoPro. With digital lenses in hero mode, choose from 4 options to get the perfect shot, offering a range from narrow to max super view, the widest view yet. Max Time Warp allows you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos with automatic speed adjustments based on motion, scene detection, and lighting. Number 2. Ricoh Theta Z1. Presenting my top choice for best budget 360 degrees cameras. With a substantial 51GB internal memory, it can capture approximately 6,350 JPEG still images, 900 RAW plus still images, and 110 minutes of 4K video. The 2.1-inch back-illuminated CNOS sensors and a new lens unit ensure top-notch image quality and suppress ghosting, flare, and fringing. The camera excels in capturing natural 360-degree images at 23MP resolution, utilizing high-precision stitching. Enhanced HDR image processing makes it ideal for various brightness levels, making it perfect for real estate virtual tours. It impresses with its 4K 360-degree video capture, smooth image stabilization, and immersive sound through the 4-channel microphone. Number 1. Insta360 X3. And my top choice for best overall 360 degrees camera. It comes with a unique set of Insta360 stickers, allowing you to showcase the bold spirit of Insta360 by pasting them wherever you like. The flow state stabilization and horizon lock algorithms ensure incredibly smooth videos, while the camera's ability to make the invisible selfie stick disappear from shots allows for epic third-person perspectives. This camera is also capable of shooting up to 60 frames per second with V mode. In conclusion, these top 360 degrees cameras for 2024 offer a diverse range of features catering to different preferences. Whether you're into innovative design, compact functionality, or unbeatable low-light performance, there's a camera for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this roundup helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy shooting!